Hey guys, this is just a quick video. I had a question on where the guns go on this plane, and I figured the easiest way to do that is to actually make a video and show. If you notice, they're all numbered the same, so that kind of makes it hard to even locate them in the right place. But I got the plane out and I got the instructions out, so I'll show you. This one over here, this one goes into the tail. It is the spout all the way in the back. So it is this gun here. So there's that one. These ones right here, are the ones that go into the positions at the nose. So it should be these ones, these ones, I think that's it. I think they give you an extra one in case you break it. These ones here, these two, I believe are the ones that go on the guys who are the gunner positions, these two guys. So those two. These ones and these ones. I really don't think I used. So I think you only used 2 out of these. These 2 here are the guns that go together. Like that there. So that's those 2. And then they go up on top. So you glue the guy together and all that. And then you wiggle them through that lens, and then you glue the lens in there together. So there's a few guns they actually do not use in this kit, and that'd be probably, 4 of these and 1 of these, but all the rest you end up using. I hope that helps. If there are any other questions I can help with, just let me know. Alright, talk to you later. Bye.